We welcome you at Arusha Education. In this lecture, we will discuss about English grammar of NCERT and CBSE. Our topic for discussion is determiners, but as we all know that articles are part of determiners, so in this lecture, we will discuss about articles. At the starting of lecture, we will try to find out the application or function of articles. Articles are words used before nouns, means those words which use before noun are known as article. A and D. These three words are used as a article. We can use A and D as an article in any sentence. Now, with help of this example, we will clear our fundamentals for the application of article. First of all, read carefully this sentence. This is a bag. In this sentence, bag is a noun while a is a article. So, we can clearly understand that we have used article before a noun. Bag is a noun, a is an article, and we have used article before a noun. Okay, now we have to discuss that why we have used a from the A and D. Why we haven't used an or the in this sentence. The same thing we will discuss in this lecture later. Now, we can also say that the use of noun in the sentence is defined by article. Article also define the use of noun in the sentence. Articles are also used as demonstrative adjective and determiners before noun. In the sentence, the article is used before noun, but they can also use as demonstrative adjective and determiners. Now, with help of this chart, we will try to understand about articles. Articles can be classified in two types, indefinite article and definite article. A and N are the indefinite articles while the is definite articles. We can use indefinite article in the sense of one and any, while we can use definite article in the sense of this and that. Now we will understand the difference between indefinite article and definite article. A and N are indefinite articles while the is definite articles. If the noun used in a sentence is used for general place, person or thing, then we will use indefinite article before that noun. For example, in this sentence, bag is a noun, but it indicates a general thing. So, we will use indefinite article. So, we have a choice of A or N. From this, we have used A as an article in this sentence. Why we have used A and why we haven't used N, that also we will discuss in this lecture later. Now, definite article. When in the sentence the noun indicate particular place, person or thing, then definite article will be used. We will try to understand this thing with help of example. The sun rises in the east. In this sentence, sun is a noun and east is a noun. So we have to use article before this noun. But sun and east are the nouns which indicate particular thing. So we have to use definite article, and the is a definite article. So in this sentence we will use as a article the as a article before sun and east. So the sentence will form as the sun rises in the east.